guys, and today I'm going to be making this slime. I don't know what it's called, but it's like in little packets. It's at Target, you can get them. So yeah, all you need is water. Well, first you put in the thing. And I'm just using this mechanical as my stirrer thing. So let's open this up. I'm just going to use scissors. Okay, and then I'm going to pour it. Do not put 2 packets in. It'll make it too powdery. But that is what it's going to look like when you pour it in. And then you pour in the water. Only do like 3 or 4 seconds. And then you are going to mix it. Okay. And then it's going to be drippy, so don't get... I'm just not going to show it to you guys because it's a little too like drippy. It's the water. But this is what it came to. Oops. And yeah. I actually made some earlier, but I just mixed it. Like, you can like mix it when it's already done. But it makes it kind of worse if you mix it in. See? But when it's like alone, it's more. But I'm definitely going to throw this one away because like it's really bad. But I really love this. So yeah, you can just make this slime. Okay guys, I'm gonna make another batch only because I want to. Okay, now let's do another packet and new water bottle. I can't really show it, but yeah. Okay, now let's pour in the water. Just a little more. Don't use a measuring cup only because it'll kind of make it worse. But yes. It kind of feels like cloud slime. It's a little powdery still. It needs to be a little more wet. Just for like 2 seconds. Or 2 drops. So yeah, this one kind of turned out bad, so I'm going to throw that one out. I'm going to add it to the... I didn't actually add it, but I mean, like, if you, like, do it really fast, it will do that. It kind of has, like, a great consistency. So that is it for this video, making slime. And this week's shadow is Maddie's Fun Videos. Please, Maddie's Fun Videos, please come to my house. I'm bored. Please. Sorry. Anyway, bye guys. Oh yeah, I have an announcement to make. I might be singing for my videos. Not for now on, but like with some of my videos, and might be singing. So yeah. Oh yeah, and guys, I have like a slime from a stray. Well, I made it, but it's, well, actually no. A friend of mine made it for me. I'm not gonna say who, because I don't want to. And yeah, so one of my friends made this slime, and it kind of feels like the slime that you put in stress balls, like that are in stress balls. I don't know if she like took a stress ball and just like, I don't know, just gave it to me. And I do not have the well, I do, but it has another slime in it that's really horrible. But yeah, something fell. Oh, my container. Yeah, so those are my slimes. There's also the really horrible one. I mean, like, it's really horrible, you guys. It's like hard. Ugh. I still need to work on it, but every time I put lotion in it, it makes it worse. So yeah. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, bye.